Namaste. Hi everyone. I hope you're all having a lovely day. We are here with a beautiful collection today. I'm too excited for it. These are Ajrak modal patchwork kurtis, like the kind that we usually do on cottons, but this time on modal fabric, and they're absolutely stunning. All of them are single pieces, not repeats. They can all be stitched up to size 5XL. So very limited stock. But do let us know which one's your favorite. I'll quickly show you. This is the first one where you have a modal patch along with some edging, laces, mirrors all across the front plain panel, and Ajrak block print for the modal fabric. They're so beautiful in the most stunning colors possible. This is the first one. Next you got a lavish yellow. Just look at it. You can totally understand why I'm so excited about it. The mirror patch is absolutely beautiful and heavy. It just gives the whole festive look to the kurti. For any of the kurtis where you don't find mirror patches, if you would like a mirror patch as well, we'd be happy to accommodate that. Look at this stunner. This patch on the yoke is absolutely beautiful. Just look at it. It's a beautiful brown shade. The sheen of modal is just wow in all of these kurtis. Like, I'm actually speechless for a lot of them because they're just so rich. Then the classic black. So you've got the yoke in the front. This is more on the plain side where you have borders on the front daman. We've also put a yoke on the back so it doesn't look very plain. You've got mirrors spread across the front. Beautiful sleeves. These, as I said, they're just absolutely exquisite. See, another one of my favorites with this beautiful mirror patch. It's so smart, and the block of modal for this is classic Ajrak but missing one of the blocks, so it looks very unique. You don't have the outline block for this, which is what gives it a beautiful look. So instead of doing a triple block in this, we did a double block, and that just adds so much value to the entire kurti. Then another one in brown. Just look at the stunner. Each piece is absolutely beautiful. You've got stunning paneling done. You've got single fabric at the back. You've got borders for the sleeve edges as well. Beautiful cream. I love the solid lines in this, along with a thin mirror border as well. They're so smart, and they can all be stitched up to size 5XL very easily. You could also do A-line kurtis out of these, so absolutely perfect. This is the front slit kind of kurti. As you can see, all of the patches done are also on modal only. You don't have any cotton patches in these kurtis, and that is what gives it the entire sheen. We've done a very limited stock because we wanted to see how it looks. See, while you could get these stitched as with lining or without lining, however you'd like. The current bag one that I'm wearing is without lining, and that is how I usually like it because modal is the kind of fabric that sort of keeps you cool as well. So it's beautiful for either winters or summers. See this black and the stunning mirror yoke. It's all of these are very unique pieces and stuff that you won't find anywhere else. See, very smart, beautiful pieces. These will be up on the website at 12 p.m. So do grab yours fast because, like I said, it's very limited and we're unable to recreate any of the pieces. So do let us know which one's your favorite and which color you like more, that we can purposely create those more in the future. Thank you.